Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here's Savita again. Today is now the 20th of November and Sunday will be the first Advent. So I am trying to decorate the house and maybe make an Advent wreath, or I think I'll just do a rectangular arrangement with 4 candles. So I actually started working outside, but then it started raining. So I'm now here inside and I will be working here on the dining table and just trying to finish some decorations to make the house a little bit cozier. Yeah. Okay, please join me if you'd like and enjoy the video. So this year I will be making a rectangular arrangement with 4 candles. And this is a wooden tray that I bought years ago. And I will be using some floral foam soaked in water, so that the greens will stay fresh longer. These are the floral foam blocks, and I soaked them in water, so it's really heavy now. And since this is wood, I used porcelain trays or plates for cakes or cookies. So I have 2. So I use the sticks to just connect them so they won't move around. I probably don't need it, but just in case. So I already cut some of the nandina berries, some of my eucalyptus, the branches from the Japanese viburnum, some hydrangeas. I don't have these in the garden, so I bought this one. I actually wanted to cut some cypress and sequoia foliage and Oriental gold spruce, but it started raining, so I'll just try to work with what I have here right now and maybe add some of the other foliage later. So So this is the one that I used to position the candles, and I just have to heat up that metal so the candle doesn't break. Okay, it's not enough. I don't know if it's straight. Okay, so this one here. Since it's spiral, I cannot really tell if it's straight anyway. So now the candles are in place. I would really like to use as much as possible only natural materials this year. So, and these are the cones that I already have in my box. So I guess that's it. I'll just add my angel and some Christmassy things, and then it's done. I had to leave a while ago because I had to pick up my husband, but now I'll finish this one up, and I'd still like to do something else. So this is my angel here. Ceramic angel. I just like to see. Let's see. Maybe position it or something. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. Too many stuff. So guys, I'm done, and I think it looks good. I'm really satisfied with the way it looks like right now. So I will start something else, and then I'll clean up, and I have to make dinner. So I would like to decorate the space. I'd like to position this branch here. Maybe with wire. another something here, but right now I'll just leave it the way it is. So it's very simple, but I think it looks good already. I have another porcelain vase here with a very small hole, and yeah, I think I'll just try. I'll just put this cork coaster, maybe glue it. This one is a moss wreath. This one is an artificial candle. The outside is wax, real wax. So it really looks like it's real. I just have to put 2 batteries inside. I don't have it right now. So let's check what I can do here. So this one is my black round ceramic vase, and I just decorated it with whatever I have in the garden and in my box, just like always. And it's a bit simple than what I usually do, but I really like it. It fits there very well with the mirror. And let's look at the other one. And that is the white one. So I think it really looks good here. I will continue doing more decorations for the house and the garden. And then the first Advent can come Sunday. So guys, that's it for now. And I hope you liked the video, and maybe you got some ideas on what you can decorate in your homes. And I hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye now.